we have a very special treat for Andrew. It's the Kinder Surprise. We just got finished with dinner, and now we're ready for a nice treat that's real hard to come by in this country. This is Andrew.
And can you say egg?
Egg.
Can you say please?
Please.
Say thank you. Thank you. Mama, what's that question? Wonder what's in it.
I wonder what's inside. Andrew, do you know what's inside of the egg? Is that yummy chocolate?
Do you want Mama to help you?
Uh-huh.
Say help, please.
Happy.
How do these things open?
They're different from the last time I had one.
Even that? Oh, there you go.
Now it looks like they've hinged the caps together. Now, Andrew, there might be small pieces inside, so you want to make sure you do not put any of those pieces into your mouth. Yep. Usually there are little individual parts that you can put together to make one nice toy. And I think the Kinder people provided instructions. Wow, Andrew, what do you think? Is it good?
Yum.
So let's see your toy, Andrew. Say thank you, Grandpa. Thank you, Grandpa. Aww. Do you like the Kinder Surprise? Oh my goodness.
I think that's a yes.
You don't like it, do you? Well, you don't have to eat it, Andrew. We don't want to force you to do anything you don't want to do. Where's the other piece? I thought there was another piece. Where's the other piece?
I've filmed before.
Oh, it's really good. It's no joke.
Can I try a piece?
Nope. So Andrew wants to show you the finished product. Oh, well, basically it comes in two halves, like this. You get the head half and the body half, and it looks like they insert together. And when you do that, you can work them together. Hold on 1 second, Andrew. You can have your toy back in just a second. He really likes it. Andrew, may we see it, please? He's having more fun pulling it apart and putting it back together.
What color is he? What color is Captain America? Andrew.
Red.
Well, sure, okay, he's red too. But how about the other color? What color is he?
No.
What color is your shirt? What color's Captain America? He's blue too. No.
So here we are with Captain America. We're zoomed in, and I guess if you look at the top of his head, if you push his leg and body together, do it fast, and it spins.
Might have broken the
There it goes. Any number of symbols. There's like a 3, and there's some other stuff going on. It's hard to decipher. One of them looks like the Star Wars symbol for the Rebel Alliance. And that's the back of Andrew's head. Nice haircut, Andrew.